Experiments done by the DNR to kill zebra mussels in some Minnesota lakes have been effective so far. Mussels are considered dangerous because of their sharp edges and ability to clog pipes when they group together, creating a need for control. They were discovered in Cass Lake late last year. Jackson Bruner has more on these recent pilot tests.
It hasn't taken much time in recent years for zebra mussels to spread in Minnesota's lakes.
Lake to lake is more often than not human activity, and whether it be water that's transferred or it could be it's attached to a plant fragment, and that plant fragment gets deposited in another lake.
After a successful DNR test in Minneapolis-based Christmas Lake took out an isolated group of zebra mussels, the agency decided more would follow, beginning with a nearly 3-acre section of Ruth Lake in Crow Wing County. A pesticide called EarthTech QZ was introduced to the area on October 6th, and over the last week the test has worked.
We had built some small cages inside, and these were placed inside the treatment area, and we took live zebra mussels that we found inside that site and put them in the cage. We went out there this morning, the winds had gone down, and we pulled the 3 cages, and we went through those zebra mussels, and all the zebra mussels in those cages had died.
The DNR says no mussels are left in Ruth Lake, but other lakes are still infested. While the DNR is removing mussels from some water bodies, Cass Lake's infestation will have to wait, mostly because of its vast size.
When we did the initial verification, we found them on multiple sites on Cedar Island. So actually all around that shoreline we knew was infested, and then we got reports from other shorelines. So then we know right away it's distributed lake-wide.
An adult can produce up to 500,000 young per year. So with that kind of reproduction taking place, there really isn't much of a chance for success.
No removal efforts have been tried in the last year. The DNR could use something called Zequinox in Cass Lake. It's a biological agent that's made of dead bacteria, and zebra mussels wouldn't be able to sense it while they filter feed. It would kill them, but it's expensive.
That's probably the product of choice, but cost prohibitive on any time you get more beyond a couple of acres, because you're going to probably spend between $30,000 and $40,000 per acre using Zequinox.
Ruth Lake is only a small sample, and DNR officials insist they don't know for sure if EarthTech is the best solution for the zebra mussel problem.
We're learning from the treatments that we're doing. We learned from Christmas, and we're learning from this one. That's why we call it a pilot project. There's no guarantee of what kind of results we're going to get. Of course, we're hoping to get adequate control, but it is an experiment.
The DNR says it hopes to keep the zebra mussel ratio in state lakes at the 2% level it's at now as they try to move forward with pilot tests. In Cass Lake, Jackson Bruner, Lakeland News.
An infestation that gets a pilot treatment must be small in size, has to be discovered early, and needs detailed pre- and post-treatment monitoring from the DNR.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.